Imagine stepping into a world where software is no longer written line by line, but built in collaboration with intelligence. This is where the journey begins. At Certisured, the focus is not just on learning code, but on understanding how development has evolved. AI can now generate interfaces, write backend logic, even suggest architectures. But speed without understanding leads to fragile systems. So the foundation is simple: build fast, but verify deeply. From there, control becomes the next skill. AI responds to clarity, the ability to guide it, to structure prompts, refine outputs, and correct mistakes becomes more valuable than typing code itself. Development turns into a dialogue where every response is shaped, improved, and aligned with intent. Then comes construction. Interfaces take form, layouts become interactive. With JavaScript and React, applications are no longer pages, but systems of reusable components. Each piece connects, scales, and evolves. And behind every generated output, there is evaluation: what works, what breaks, and what needs refinement. Beyond the interface, logic comes alive. Servers handle requests, APIs connect systems. Data flows from action to response. With Node and Express, the backend becomes the engine of the application. And here, precision matters, because AI can assist, but correctness depends on human judgment. Data then gives structure to everything. Applications begin to store, retrieve, and organize information meaningfully. Whether through MongoDB or modern platforms like Supabase, the focus shifts from just storing data to designing systems that scale and adapt. As systems grow, responsibility increases. Authentication, security, and validation are no longer optional. Poorly generated code can introduce real risks, so every layer is tested, reviewed, and secured, transforming development from experimentation into engineering. And then something important happens. Things break, errors appear, systems fail. But this is where real understanding is built. Debugging, testing, and reviewing code become the skills that define reliability. Not just making things work, but making them right. Finally, intelligence becomes part of the product itself. Applications evolve to include AI, assistants, chat interfaces, smart features. Not as add-ons, but as meaningful capabilities designed to solve real problems. And at the end of it all, everything comes together. An idea becomes a product. A system is built, tested, and deployed. Not just code, but something complete, functional, and real. This is not just full-stack development. This is learning how to build in the age of AI. Welcome to Certisured,